So I've been making this game called Button Multipliers and I've done the map making so far. Check Devlog 1 for more detail. Link in description. We're doing the data stores in initial GUI today. Okay, let's just get into it. I don't really know how to create a data store system, so there was a lot of back and forth between tutorials and scripting. I finished the data stores and it didn't throw any errors. Actually, it didn't throw any syntax errors, but it threw a lot of other errors. But I thought I was done, so time for I did a static mock-up of the GUI. It doesn't look great, but we're in the pre-alpha stage of the game, so who cares, it'll get finalized soon. For the reactivity, I first made a script that stores useful information. I made a display function, and I only debugged it once, which is a lot considering how much debugging I do. In this episode. Why did I make a display function? It's because numbers in computers cap at about 2.147 billion. After that, weird things happen. And button multipliers is going to go far beyond that. In case you're wondering, debugging is going to be a recurring theme. I also made another script that stores scrolling data. It doesn't really scroll. Then more back and forth with tutorials for reactivity. And it didn't really work. Then I noticed the data stores were wrong. Different tutorial, but it didn't work out. I eventually fixed it, but that would take a few days. Mainly because I was using the wrong console, which I eventually fixed. I found out that data stores might not work in Roblox Studio, so I published the first rendition of the game. It's private. The data stores didn't work. I did a lot of stuff that really didn't help until I used the right console, since that let me see what's wrong. After I did that, I fixed key issues like forgetting a function, a property, and a lot more. Now that the data stores are fixed and the GUI is reactive, time for there's only a few problems. 1. The game thinks I have 0 Novum Decillion coins, which is technically correct, but it's weird, so we need a quick fix. 2. The GUI centers is white. The fix was quite weird, as the color 3 constructor only goes from 0 to 1 instead of 0 to 255, and that range was used in map making. 3. It doesn't scroll. The quick fix just made me return a table from the scroll module script instead of a number. And after those fixes, it worked. And that's literally the end of the video. You can click off now.